All right, now let's take a look at number 14. In number 14, Jan asked her friends how much they paid for the shoes they were wearing, and she got some responses. And it says to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, and the range of this data. I would stick these things in your calculator and let it do that for you. Part A says what piece of data is an outlier, and the $180 pair of shoes is an outlier. And why is that? Because the next closest value is $51. So we're looking at a $129 difference. Okay. Now, Part B says to predict what would happen to the mean, the median, the mode, and the range if that piece of data were removed. They would all get smaller. Okay? Right? If you take out that $180 shoe price, that's going to have a big effect on the mean. I don't even believe that there is a mode when I look at this data, and I don't think there is.
Isn't mode the most common number?
The mode is the most common. The range would get a lot smaller. The median is probably going to stay pretty close to the same. If anything, it would move one value down. And C says, how can you check your prediction in Part B? Well, if you went in your calculator and went to the list and deleted the $180 value, and then calculated the mean and the median and the range and all that sort of thing again, and then it asks, were you right? And I'm pretty confident that I would be right. So now, the last one, number 15. Recently, while doing some Algebra 2 homework, Carmen and Mario got into a little argument. During the dispute, a part of their assignment was destroyed. All that remained of one particular problem is shown below. Oh my gosh. Carmen and Mario. I'm thinking it must have been more than a little argument if part of homework is getting destroyed. So, oh well.
This isn't domestic abuse, internet. Only domestic abuse.
Carmen was furious. Way to go, Mario! Now there is no way to get this problem correct. We don't even know what f of x is.
Wait. Why wouldn't there be the other half of the paper?
It got destroyed. Remember, Bennett? They had the argument. Apparently, someone ripped it and then ate it. I don't know.
Put in a blender.
If there's two of them, should they have another copy?
Maybe they go to a school in Detroit that doesn't have money and can only give one piece of paper to every other student.
My paper teachers right now.
Yep. So,
They just wrote on their hand.
wait a minute, Mario quickly responded. I'm pretty sure we can solve this anyway. Carmen shook her head. Who is correct in explaining completely why and what the other person might be forgetting? Well, I'm sure that old Mario is looking at this point right here, 7, 0, and he's thinking, well, the inverse has got to go through the point 0, 7.
Well, there's no numbers.
There are no numbers, there are no x-axes on any of these graphs or tick marks identifying what they are. So Carmen, who was furious, is correct. Now, whatever she does to Mario, you know,
Same.
you know, she's completely justified. So,
Wasn't this a question like a different study guide?
a similar question to it was, yes. All right. So, there we go. Happy testing.